Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 Trike 2023 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The Road Glide name comes to the world of Freewheeler with the 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 Trike. The new Trike takes the performance-oriented Freewheeler platform and adds a Road Glide fairing. Let's get the fast facts rumbling. The iconic frame-mounted shark fairing performs multiple duties on the new Road Glide 3 Trike, in addition to protection from the wind at high speeds and the weather when it gets unruly. The fairing houses a boom box GTS infotainment system. The boom box GTS system turns the hot rod Freewheeler into a road trip-ready trike. The 6.5-inch touchscreen features GPS, AM/FM, and weather radio bands, music, and telephone integration when paired to your smartphone. iPhone users will be happy to see Apple CarPlay on the display. If you don't like the touchscreen interface and prefer to keep your hands on the grip, there are hand controls on the handlebar. Although it doesn't get the top box of the Tri-Glide Ultra, the 23 Road Glide 3 Trike has an integrated trunk. Potential passengers on long-haul tours will notice the lack of a backrest while they are admiring the Trike's sleek lines. Floorboards provide a comfortable foot platform when piling on the miles. Power is provided by a Milwaukee 8114. It's air and oil-cooled, with a tidy oil cooler mounted low between the frame's front down tubes. This is in contrast to the twin-cooled Milwaukee 8114 found in the Tri-Glide Ultra. Look for the Road Glide 3 to benefit from 118 foot-pound of torque from its B-twin. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3 Trike will come in 3 colors and 2 finishes. Vivid black or black finish. Gray haze or black finish. Bright billiard blue or black finish. You will pay a bit more for the black finish, and prices start at $32,999. What do you think about the new Road Glide 3 Trike? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.